Alright boys, so yeah. I may not have a lot of subscribers, but yeah, I just started recording, so yeah. Don't question my authorities, alright? And so today I'm gonna be using what is the name? The Sheila kit, since a lot of people don't have it actually. And yeah. Anyways, alright boys, so I hope you if you don't subscribe or like the video, like and subscribe or your mama will be in my bed. Alright? No wait, I gotta go in squads if I'm using Sheila kit. Anyway, okay fine, I'm gonna use Sheila kit in solos since I accidentally queued. Don't know why, but yeah. By the way, don't mind my voice. It's meh. But if you say my voice is meh, I'm gonna give you a big ol' slap, alright? And yeah. To be honest, I actually don't know why the match is not loading. But yeah. Okay, yeah. Game, you can load in now. Okay, no, this game actually don't wanna load in for me. Not my fault, though. Since yeah. No, like that's not my fault that the game won't load in, right? Okay, no, this is actually taking way too long. Bro, when will this video load in? I meant when will this match actually load in? Okay, finally. By the way, if you're wondering what, yeah, I don't have music since most of YouTubers actually have music, but no, I don't use music. By the way, I actually don't know why my internet is so laggy today. Game. Okay, finally. I feel like I'm gonna load in 8 seconds. In a minute 5 and 30 seconds. I actually feel like that. If the solos match would load in, it wouldn't. It would not be 3 minutes, alright? Then I would already be in my match. Oh, I forgot to tell my brother and friends that I'm recording, so they're probably gonna come in soon. I mean, I hope not. But if they actually do, I'm gonna be triggering them. Alright, load it in. Nah, bro, the bids are already getting taken. I bet I'm out of the game there. Oh my god, there's a Xeno. No. Oh, hell no. I don't want to deal with no Xeno. In what? Oh my god, in 2 minutes. Anyways. I should I'm bowling. Yeah, it's swollen. Alright, get the aims, bro. Oh my god, there's no aims. Let me smack that. Boy. Let me smack that. I'm just gonna tried it diamond sword and then I basically won the match. But yeah, it won't. The M gen won't. Don't wanna roll in, alright? Okay, no, I needed that. Why'd I do that? We do be do Scooby Doo in Poland, right? Done. We did that. Now just hopefully don't die from some tryhards. If I actually die, I'm actually gonna be triggered. Anyways, uh, shout out to my friend for helping me start my YouTube channel. Go sub to him. His name is Deanna Lone, and I'm actually friends with him on Discord, and he teached me how to like record the videos and stuff. So shout out to that little boy. And anyone in green team? If actually someone spawns in the second I go to there, I'm actually about to be triggered. Don't spawn in or else I'm gonna kill you. Okay, he's out of the... Oh, let's go. I got 6 M's. Yeah, 6 M's. I literally almost typed, not typed, but, no, I'm not dealing with that. I'm actually not dealing with that. No way I'm dealing with that. If you actually guys want me to deal with that, then, your mama gonna wake up in my bed. Yo, nah, boy, that was sauce. No way, got killed. Oh, no. Oh, hell no. My CPS is so bad. What? Nah, this game's doodle, boy. I wanna rage quit. And, yeah. I played a match with Sheila. I have Sheila. Anyways, like and subscribe or your mama will be in my bed tonight. No, but seriously, like and subscribe.